back to my channel. I turned my mic on today. That video hasn't come out yet. I recorded a whole Ipsy and BoxyCharm unboxing, and I forgot to turn on my microphone. I was very mad. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the winter Causebox. I believe in the spring it will be 1 year since I have had Causebox, and I do not have any intentions of getting rid of it. So that gives you any indication whether or not I like it. I do like it. This is the box this month, this season, because this is a seasonal box. My little sticker is on backwards. It came with a book, something about win a free annual membership. Hold my cocoa. Did someone say free? Winter unboxing contest. That'd be amazing. Okay, and then a little postcard that comes with it every month. Season. This is the seasonal subscription. I ordered some shelves to put back behind here, so hopefully they'll line up with like the studs and everything, and then I can put like the postcards and stuff back here so I can have some depth to my videos. Okay, anyways, let's get into this. The first thing I see in here is a 2021 planner. Let's see. It is a very gorgeous, substantial planner with like the kind of metal edges and everything. And let's see here. It has the month overlook, and then it's divided. It's a little washed out, hard to see, and it goes until December. I don't know if there's anything else. Looks like there's notes at the end of each month, about 3 pages worth. For that to be it doesn't seem. This is a really big. Oh, there's stickers in the back of the book. And then like a little. The very back is almost like a folder right there. Is the front like that? No. It says from the desk of at the beginning to like write your name in it, so in case you lose it. It says it includes daily calendars, monthly calendars, year at a glance, notes pages, goal tracking, inspirational quotes, and sticker sheets. I missed the quotes somewhere. Apparently they're somewhere in here. This is my thoughts about planners. I love them. I love getting one. I love filling one out, putting all the dates in for the year and everything. But I am terrible at keeping up with it. Like, terrible. I mean, I would buy tons of planners. Love them. Everything. But then, I forget about it. I lose it. And I never lost it, but I don't have it on me whenever it'd be a good time to, like, write things down. I have one I got, I don't even know when I got it, but it was like a 1.5 year planner, so like the back half of 2020 was in it, and so now it's the rest of 2021. And then now I have this one, so I don't know, I'm just terrible at keeping up with planners. It's a nice gesture, nice thought for like the beginning of the year. That's whenever people usually buy planners, is the beginning of the year. It's just, if you are that type of person that loves to get a planner, loves to fill out a planner, but stops doing any sort of planning with it after the first month, let me know, because we could be friends. Or we could be motivational buddies to use the planner. Let's see. The other option you could have got was the Soon Skincare Peony Foot Masks. I think on that one with the choice, I said surprise me because I was indifferent to both of them. But the brand of this planner, I guess I never think about planners having a brand, but they're Idlewild Company Yearly Planner, or Idlewild Co. Feeling organized, inspired, and ready to take on 2021? No. Start the year with some joy through pretty design details and thoughtful layouts. It is very pretty. I'll give them that. Woman owned and operated. Swaps biodegradable materials for plastics. Oh, okay. That was a little confusing for me. And designer run. The inside is in here said something about enjoy by Katie Gasly, the creative director. Good gesture, just a me problem. It's a me problem. What did I say that was worth? $32? Also would have never spent $32 on a planner. I usually get mine from TJ Maxx, and they're pretty good prices. Sometimes they're stupid, but I guess I just have a hard time spending on something I know I'm not going to keep up with. Next, we have reusable Ziploc baggies in different sizes. So this is like a kind of like a snack bag, and it kind of opens up. Or probably, if you had something in it, maybe stand up. I don't know. I have never used reusable baggies because I reuse my Ziploc baggies until they don't zip lock no more. I cannot just one and done a Ziploc bag. No. Absolutely not. So we have, what is it, 4 of them? Is that right? 5 of them. There's a small, teeny tiny, a little bit bigger, a medium, and then 2 large. But the 2 large ones are not like I just fell. The standy up kind. They're just flat kind. Both of them. See? Okay, the other thing you could have got was activated eco reusable silicone baking sheets. I picked the Ziploc or the zip pouches. Ziploc is the brand. Because I have feelings towards silicone and baking on them. And I can taste the silicone on my cookies. That's what it is. I can taste silicone. Like whenever I have like a silicone, what's that called? Spatula, and I will be licking my icing off of the spatula, and I'm like, this is silicone icing because I can taste the silicone. Maybe that's not the way all silicone mats work. It just makes me leery of other silicone mats. But these reusable zip pouches are $22. So hopefully whatever I put in the silicone Ziploc doesn't right? Are they considered silicone? I don't know if these are considered silicone. I just hope it doesn't. I don't smell anything, but maybe they won't taste like what they're made of. It says take a little road. This is Boone Supply reusable zip pouches. Take a little for the road with these reusable zip pouches in 5 different sizes. How are they 5 different sizes? Aren't these the exact same thing? These look like the exact same to me. Not only are these an excellent sustainable swap, Boone Supply also gives back big time with their unique business model. Replaces more than 300 single-use bags per piece for a total of 1,500 single-use bags. 40% of every order with Boone Supply supports a fundraiser of your choice. Interesting. Next is a Skin & Co. by Roma Truffle Therapy. I've used stuff out of this line before. I love their face gommage. And this is a face toner. I'm not sure. I might have used this. This may have been my very first Skin & Co. thing I used. I'm so weak. Oh, I got it. And there's a protective seal on though. Yeah. The smell is familiar. Does it have witch hazel? Not your traditional toner. We have designed this toner to cleanse and purify. I thought it said cleanse and puffy the skin. I was like, oh. Formulated with natural extracts of truffle, calendula, rose, and rosemary, among many others, we have created a blend to deeply purify the skin with contributing with antiseptic powers to remove dead skin and bacteria and prevent future breakouts, while boosting the skin with extra antioxidants. A toner is an essential part of your beauty routine for healthy, youthful-looking skin. I knew I smelled witch hazel, which I don't mind. Witch hazel is good for acne and stuff. It just can be very drying to the skin, but I think all these other things in here will help offset that. Love the Skin & Co. brand. That is a $30 value, and it looks like maybe everybody is getting that because there's not a choice. And Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner, gentle and refreshing. This isn't your average toner. Made with extracts like witch hazel. Told you I smelled witch hazel. Truffle and rosemary. This toner removes bacteria and cleanses your skin naturally. Created with Mediterranean botanical extracts, sourced in Umbria, Italy. Vegan and cruelty-free. I hope I pronounced that city in Italy correctly. Let's hop on in here. Okay, we have, I'm not going to undo this, this is a sick pillowcase. A silk pillowcase. Okay, fine, I'll open it up. Okay. This is a fairly large, wrinkly silk pillowcase. I have gotten a silk pillowcase before through BoxyCharm, but it wasn't big enough to go on my pillow. But this one looks like it could be a little bigger, and maybe my pillow with stuff in there, because I'd love to use it because I get breakouts like right here, and I just saw a picture today about like this could be like the things you put on your face, like talking on your phone. I try to avoid talking on the phone at all costs. It makes me want to puke. And so the other thing said pillowcase, and I was like, well, I guess that could be the reason. And I know that silk pillowcases are supposed to help with like preventing acne and aging. So I really hope that this pillowcase is the right size for my pillow. It says, enjoy 20% off of your bamboo bedding, bath, and sleep essentials. The code's CAUSESLEEP. Offer is valid until December 31st, 2020. I didn't get my box until like January something. How rude. It's made from 100% organic bamboo, water and energy saving, FSC certified responsibly grown, minimal packaging, hypoallergenic and chemical free. What? Lecotech standard 100 certified? I don't know what two of those things are on there or what they mean. I will admit I'm not up to date on clean labels, like what they mean. The other option was some slouchy socks. I have a bajillion and a half pairs of socks. I did not need any more. And also, I hate sleeping in socks. I have to be completely and absolutely frozen into a popsicle to wear socks in bed because, so ugh. I keep on checking to make sure that I turn my microphone on because, yeah. But the pillowcase is $25. Made from 100% bamboo. Hatude's clean bamboo is made in a closed loop system that reuses 98% of its water in future production cycles. That's very interesting. This bamboo-based pillowcase might just feel more silky than silk itself. Minimal, sophisticated, and intentionally designed, Hatude elevates sustainable living with a dash of luxury. Two more things in here. One of them is kind of exciting. They are marble coasters. I probably shouldn't have been talking while I ripped that open. I said marble coasters. Okay, they have like, okay, focus. It's hard to tell with all my lights in here, but there is some darker in there. Some like marbleized, of course it's marble, through there to make it not all white. I think you can kind of see that. And then they have the cork backings here, so you're not rubbing on anything. And it was a 4-set. Here's the rest of them. Why does that look different? Oh, it's paper over it. That's why it looks different. These are very cute. My mom just got new countertops, so this would be great to make sure that we preserve the countertops. Let's see what it says about them, though. There's actually 3 possibilities for this. They calling it selection number 4. There was either the True Moringa Rejuvenating Body Polish, Sanctuary Project Thick Gold Hoops, those were very cute, or the Zeal Living Marble Geo Coasters, these, and they're $42. A sophisticated coaster set that pairs with coffee or a cocktail. I will be having neither of those. How about a soda? Zeal Living connects African artisans with shoppers around the world. Zeal Living sustainably employs over 9,000 artisans in 17 African countries. These coasters were made by a 60% female workforce. Okay, last but certainly not least, a tea kettle. Because for all the tea and coffee I drink. This would probably be more of a decorative piece for me. I had it out the other day, and a little itty bitty, like, what is that? That's a nut. A nut came out of it. I'm hoping I didn't lose another one too. But the handle's really loose. And so I need to try to tighten the screw and the nut back on. Oh, it's twisting. I think everything's twisting. I have to use like a wrench or something. But it is very cute and kind of dainty, delicate, fancy tea kettle. I was excited about this because I like decor pieces, even if they're not meant to be decor pieces. I think this is really cute. Okay, the other thing was that you could have got instead of the tea kettle was they're calling it a cloud wrap. It looked like a sweater. And that sweater was $115. This kettle's $98. Wow. Rose and Fitzgerald Brush Gold Kettle, $98 value. A stovetop statement and your new pour over coffee BFF. I don't like coffee. Rose and Fitzgerald blends age-cold craft with simplistic contemporary aesthetic, creating authentic quality pieces with handmade charm. 300 artisans were employed in manufacturing this kettle. Wow, that took a lot of people. I feel like that's the start of the joke. Like, you know, the one, how many witches does it take to change a light bulb? Well, how many artisans does it take to make a tea kettle? Apparently the answer is 300. I'm glad. $98. I wonder what country it's from. Does it say? Like, on this, it says these were made in India. What did I do with the box? Established in 2013. India, another Indian one. Cool. 18 by 8 stainless steel, food safe, hand wash only, stove type compatibility, gas and electric. Is there another? Induction or convection? Induction? Induction stovetop? I guess it doesn't like those. Okay, $98. The value of my winter Causebox is $249. I'm looking through the book here and seeing if there's any other spectacular news. Okay, that was everything, and talked about everything about the winter Causebox. I really enjoyed this box. I wish there would have been another choice besides the planner. I know I went on a whole spiel about planners, but it is very cute. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I did meet my goal of getting 30 subscribers before the end of 2020. I would like 50 subscribers by the end of June. Okay, let's make that happen, okay? Let's make that happen. I'm actually at 31 right now. So, I hope to be more consistent in my uploadings now that house is finally maybe starting to get put together and not craziness. But who knows? So, thanks again. Bye.